Hey guys! Nicole here! Happy 2026 po sa inyong lahat and welcome to my channel! Guys, I'm so excited because you know what? I will bring you to this project in Plaridel, Bulacan. Guys, kung ang hanap mo yung most convenient location, like literally 8 minutes away, nasa NLEX ka na via Santa Rita exit. So in short, in about 35 minutes, nasa Manila ka na, nasa Balintawak ka na, nasa Quezon City ka na, nasa Skyway ka na. And how much more if you are going to Pampanga, like for example, Clark Airport. Dahil Santa Rita exit yan, ilang kilometers na lang, ilang exit na lang, pa San Fernando, Pampanga exit ka na, or San Simon. O, diba guys? Kaya naman, ang ganda ng location niya. Ang perfect talaga, na tipong, ano siya, yung the best of both worlds. And alam niyo ba, itong Plaridel Heights subdivision, para siyang ano alam mo yung tinatawag nilang old subdivision classic style, na yung mga anong tawag doon? Alam mo yung quiet wealth na tinatawag, nandito, yung ganun. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, yung, may dalawa kasi itong entrance, sa gate 2 ako. So, yung itsura nung kanyang kalsada, at saka nung area niya, kasi gubat po dito. Kung gusto mo ng nature friendly, ito na yon, forestry. Okay, ayan siya guys. So, I will be driving a little slow for you guys to appreciate. So, ito ay may 4 lanes sa pinaka-entrada niya. Tapos, ikita nyo itong mga parang pine trees na yan, on both sides, diba guys? So, ayan po, yung bubungad sa'yo. So, wala siyang yung tipong pagpasok mo kaagad may mga houses. Pagpasok mo, yan pa lang yung mag-welcome sa'yo. Yung mga malalaking pine trees na yan, yung mga malalaking puno na yan. Ayan siya guys. O, diba? As you can see, talaga pong, kung ang hanap mo ay kagubatan, ito po ay kagubatan, okay? Kung ikaw yung tipo na ayaw mo ng nature, ayaw mo ng gubat, di wag ka dito, para lang to sa mga na-appreciate po yung kagubatan, okay? Kasi talagang literal na ganun siya dito, guys. And, ayan, pupunta ako sa kanyang clubhouse. So, katulad yan, yung mga ganyang mga mansyones. Alam mo, maganda dito, si developer natin, which is 5R Prime Properties, may mga nabili silang lote for development. So, meron tayong mga single detached bungalow. And at the same time, soon this year, like first quarter this year, we're gonna launch yung ating mga single 2-story, like single detached houses na nagre-range ng 14 to 17 million. O, diba guys? Ganun lang naman siya. Very affordable. Ayan. So, dito pa rin tayo sa ating 4 lanes. Ay, kita nyo, diba? Parang baka sabihin mo, asan na yung mga bahay dyan? Ganyan. Napakalaki po kasi nito, guys. Kaya, dito, yung mga bahay, di mo maiwasan. Maraming parts dito na malalayo yung mga bahay. Yung iba naman, hindi pa kasi tinatayuan. Ganun. So, normal po yun, guys. Pero kung ikaw naman yung talagang sobrang appreciated mo yung napakagandang location, and at the same time walang history ng flood, and then ayan, virgin na virgin yung mga puno, ayan guys, Plaridel Heights is for you. So perfect siyang retirement home talaga, no? Whether you are from abroad or locally, domestic ka nagwo-work or nagbe-business, ito ay matatawag mo pa ring retirement home, diba? So ito siya guys, ayan, very quiet sa area natin, very solemn, ayan. Puro gubat pa rin. Pero ang luluwag ng mga kalsada, di ba guys? Samahan nyo ako sa ating amenity area, okay? So, this is our clubhouse amenity. Meron tayong swimming pool dito, tennis court. Ayan, I'll show it to you guys. Let's go. So, ito nga guys, ang napakaganda at color green pa. Color green. O, di ba, ang classic, no? Look at that. This is your swimming pool here sa amenity area ng Plaridel Heights subdivision. Ayan guys, gusto ko ma-emphasize sa inyo yung view niya, yung kanyang classic style, 'di ba? Old subdivision style. Mga ganon. 'Di ba may mga iba na talagang ganito yung mga bet nila, ganito yung mga type nila na scenery, yung parang akala mo nag-staycation sa kung saang lugar. Ayun pala, nasa Plaridel Heights, Bulacan lang, no? O, diba? May pag-ganyang-ganyang effect pa ako, guys. Kita niyo yan? O, diba? Ayan, guys, ang ating swimming pool here. And punta tayo dun sa part ng Kung gusto mong mag-basketball, ay ano sila guys, ang laki, full court. So dala ka na lang ng bola mo. May enjoy mo dito mag-basketball at mag-tennis. May tennis court rin sila o kaya volleyball or badminton, 'di ba? Kung ano man yung sports mo. Oh, ayan. Full court 'yan, oh. Mag-slam dunk ka dyan. Tapos, ayan ang kanilang gated na tennis court or volleyball court o kung ano man. Ayan, guys. Tignan nyo, oh. 'Di ba, no? Ang ganda. Ang ganda kasi natural lahat. Natural, walang halong chemical. Yun, guys. Ito lang yan, dito lang yan sa Plaridel Heights Subdivision. Baka akala nyo sobrang bongga at mamahalin ng mga bahay dito. Meron tayong mga nasa 6 million something na na bungalow, na single detached or attached. And yun guys ay afford nyo dahil bank financing. Maximum 20 to 30 years lang naman. Kayang-kaya, pwede pa ang installment at meron pa kaming mga promo discount. So abangan nyo yan guys. Watch until the end. This is your dream bungalow. Guys, this is our model. It's called Dogwood Single Detached. Let me give you some technical details, guys. We have a gross floor area of 72 square meter, lot area of 186 for this model. Pero meron din tayong minimum lot area na ibibigay ko yung sample computation later on. Pero mag-house tour muna tayo. Oh my gosh. Napakaganda guys ng ating Dogwood Single Detached. Ayan siya from exterior view. From the get-go, kitang-kita mo kaagad yung kanyang modern style. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng kanyang color combination. At kung 186 pala yung lot area mo, wow, ganito pala siya kalaki. Imagine kung magka-carport ka doon at maroon ka pang mga sasakyan, pwede mo pang i-park dyan. Tapos ito, may maluwag kang magiging garden area. For your information, this is included in the turnover. This carport and this structure, and also naka concrete na to. So kasama siya sa floor area natin, sa gross floor. Ayan na yung design niya guys. So, oh my gosh, modern bungalow na smart home. Pag sinabi nating smart home, hindi na yung typical doorknob. Pag tinurn over to sa'yo guys, naka smart lock ka na. And ito po yung ating dress-up model. So, dahil dress-up model siya, guys, please note that the furniture and the appliances, they're not included in the turnover. Sa model unit lang po siya. This is just for inspiration. So, ang maganda sa ating single detached, nakikita nyo ba yung ating mga sliding windows kung gaano yan kalaki, 'di ba? Large size windows po yung ginamit natin dito kasi nga mas nakakapagpaganda at nakakapagpalaki siya at mas nagiging modern yung itsura ng ating bahay, 'di ba? So ito guys, pagpasok natin, you will be welcomed with our spacious, minimalist living area. 4-seater dining table you can place here. At syempre may lanay tayo guys. Let me show you the lanay area. Itong lanay area natin na to guys. Ayan o. Ayan. Napakaluwag pa niyan dito guys. Mamaya I'll show you at sa likod So dito tayo sa ating kitchen area. By the way guys, we have CCTV or security camera included in the turnover. So meron tayo dito sa loob ng bahay na nako-cover niya yung sa kitchen, dining and living. Ganito po yung view niya. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea, guys. Ayan. O, 'di ba? Kung ang hanap mo minimalist, bungalow, kasi para sa parents mo, o kaya naman ikaw personally, ayaw mong masyadong maglilinis ng malaking bahay na taas-baba, na 2 floors. Ito na yun guys. This is the best bungalow house you can find ever. Like I assure you, like number 1 siya sa buong Bulacan area. 'Di ba? Sa mga nakita kong bungalow model. So, ayan siya guys. Look at our kitchen top. Ganito na rin siya ita-turn over guys. Ganito na yung ka-polished. 'Di ba? Oh, it's actually the same with the sink that I have at home. Ganito din yung brand. Napakaganda nito guys kasi stainless steel na siya. Ayan siya guys. And see, ito, ano lang siya sa model. Okay? Pero ito kasama to sa turnover. Itong sa baba na kitchen cabinet. And kung tatanong nyo, what's this one? Okay, this is our solar grid inverter. Ito lang po yung bungalow house na alam ko dito na meron na pag tinurn over, may kasama ng solar panel included in the total contract price. Kaya naman guys, sulit na sulit every penny you're gonna spend here in Dogwood single detached model dito po sa Plaridel Heights Subdivision by 5R Prime Properties, ang ating developer. Ayan siya guys, so meron ka ng solar grid inverter sa umaga, solar panel ang gumagana, tipid ka talaga sa iyong Meralco bill niyan. Forever energy savings ang tawag doon. Ang panels natin, we have 6 panels na naka-installed na sa ating roof ng bawat unit kapag tinurn over po siya, okay? Just for your information, guys. Let's move to our toilet and shower first. Toilet and shower for this single detached model is very spacious. Nakikita niyo naman yan, guys. Tingnan mo, pakita ko sa inyo, ha. So here, you have your we use Posy brands for our toilet fixtures. Kasama na sa turnover yung bidet, the toilet, and then this our toilet sink. And at the same time, ang ganda na ng design ng ating mga tiles kasi ano siya, floor to ceiling yung ating tiles. Ganyan na yung kanyang turnover at maganda yung ating shower, 'di ba? Hindi siya yung basic lang na telephone shower. Talagang malaki siya at stainless steel na rin. Nakita niyo naman, guys, talagang pinag-isipan din yan kasi yung design ng ating shower dito, ito kasi yung pwede mo kung gusto mo pang palagyan ng glass. So, pwede ka na lang magpalagay ng glass dito, guys, 'di ba? If you prefer that, it's up to you really. Oh my gosh, so far I'm so amazed, guys, and so impressed with our model unit here. This is our bedroom 1. Bedroom number 1. O, diba? Very spacious siya. Nakapaglagay ka ng study table, ng closet. And at the same time, kung gusto mo to gawing double deck, kung dalawa yung anak mo, pwede rin, diba? So, it's perfect for a family of up to 4. But, if you have a bigger family in the future, the good thing about Dogwood Single Detached is ito po ay ready for second floor. Kung maisipan mo na gusto kong magpataas in the future, gusto ko siyang gawing 2-story single detached, edi go ahead, why not? Ready ang ating model for that. Meaning to say, inaalaw po siya, okay? And this is our master's bedroom. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Look at your master's bedroom. A queen size or a king size bed can fit in your master's bedroom. Yan. O, diba? Kasyang-kasya pa yung malaking closet. And at the same time, guys, ito yung ating meron tayong large size window sa ating masters. Ayan siya, guys. So, let me just show you. Hindi siya yung basta window lang. O, diba? So, just imagine, no? Parang akala mo naka-staycation ka, pero wow, bahay mo lang pala yan. Akala siguro lagi ng friends mo, nag-staycation ka everyday. Hindi nila alam, bahay mo lang pala yan, diba? With the nice view here in our forestry community, diba? Wala ka na makikitang ganitong community, guys, na talaga namang very naturey and puro puno, 'di ba? Yung mga puno na baka nga hundreds of years old na yung mga trees na 'yan. O 'di ba, guys? So let's go and move on to our back side. Baka akala nyo yun na yun. But wait, there's more. At the back of your house, kasama to sa turnover, meron ka nang naka-ready na service area, laundry area, dirty kitchen, however you wanna call it. Ganito pa kalaki yung space mo kapag nasa 180 yung lot area. 'Di ba, guys? Oh my gosh, just imagine your future expansion. Kung ganito kalaki pa yung space mo sa likod plus yung sa harap kanina. Oh, 'di ba, guys? Imagine that. Now, the most exciting part, you probably can't wait for our sample computation, but let me just tell you guys, oh my gosh, 10/10 for Dogwood single detached model. Dito guys sa Plaridel Heights subdivision na in terms of location para sa akin dahil nag-drive ako coming from Philippine Arena. Sa Philippine Arena ko, 20 minutes away to Santa Rita. Exit Plaridel, Bulacan, Plaridel Heights subdivision. Naka-waste talaga ako dyan guys. Sabi ko, napaka-smooth ng biyahe at napakabilis lang. Tapos sa pinaka-main road nito, sa kanto nito, lahat ng kailangan mo ng mga establishment, nandoon na lahat ng mga essentials. Kaya naman, location sa akin, 11/10 sa ganda ng location. Yung bahay, ay grabe guys, 10/10 talaga siya. Now, let's talk about the price. Kung afford ba natin to, pasok ba to sa ating income? Of course, I must say na with the location and the lot area and the floor area itself and the house itself, tapos kasama pa yung solar panel natin, 'di ba? Ayan, tapos meron nang naka-install na CCTV sa loob ng bahay. Guys, ito lang ang kanyang price. I will give you yung ating minimum, okay? Kung gusto mo ng mas malaking lot area, no problem. I can also give you sample computation pag kinontak nyo ako directly, pero papakita ko sa inyo guys, showing on the screen, 'di ba? Yan, yung ating minimum. So, minimum lot, so that's our minimum total contract price, meaning to say, that's our most affordable unit. Ayan po siya. O, di ba guys? Meron kang napakalaking discount. So, ang una kong pinapakita dyan guys ay yung ating down payment na installment, 'di ba? Na meron pa rin tayong ongoing discount right now. So, kapag yan po yung i-avail nyo, ang turnover niyan, syempre, kailangan full DP ka muna and then bank approve. So, bank financing lang po tayo dito, okay? Wala pa tayong pag-ibig for your information. So, bank financing, ayan, may discount kahit na 24 months zero interest. And at the same time, bibigyan ko rin kayo ng malaking discount kung nagmamadali ka. Gusto ko nang lumipat in 6 months. Okay, sige, or after 6 months. Wala naman tayong problema dyan, guys. 'Di ba? Depende naman kasi yan sa iyong capacity. Kung ikaw ay capable na makapagbayad within 6 months, yung sample computation na pinapakita ko sa screen, go ahead and choose our 6 months. Bibigyan pa kita ng napakalaking discount kung 6 months mo lang babayaran. O, ayan siya guys, 'di ba? Tignan nyo naman, meron ka ng introductory price promo na napakalaki. Meron ka pang additional DP discount promo na, what? 240,000 kung 6 months? In short, pwede kang magkaroon ng 540,000 discount kung makakapag-reserve ka ngayong January. Okay? Ganyang kalaki yung discount na binibigay ni developer. January 2026 promo. New Year's promo po yan, guys. Okay? So, that's kung maabutan nyo pa yung ating 169 square meter lot area na very affordable. At yan yung minimum TCP natin, guys. Kung gusto mo ng mas malaking lot, walang problema. Meron din tayo yan, guys. And we also offer discounts for other lots available. Okay? So, ayan siya, guys. Kung halimbawa naman sabihin mo, pwede pa ba 12 months or 18 months? Pwede, guys. Okay? 12 to 18 months, meron din po tayong discount na ibinibigay. Okay? So, I'm just showing on the screen, guys, yung sample computation kung magto 12 months ka naman, okay? Pati yung kanyang discount. Malaki pa rin yung discount ng 12 months, 160,000 additional. Ayan siya, guys, okay? So, there you have it. I gave you different terms promo, kung ano man yung haba ng down payment na babayaran mo, nakadepende po dun yung discount natin or kung walang discount, dun po siya nakadepende. So, ayan siya guys, pati yung kanyang proof of income. So, kung ikaw ay pasok dyan, yung income mo or income yung mag-asawa, mag-partner, magkapatid, mag-family member, so, kailangan lang i-combine yung income kung hindi kaya ng isa. Ganun lang po siya guys, okay? So, if you are qualified, you can just simply contact me as soon as possible, guys, because the number one thing that you need to remember, strictly no walk-ins. Ang guard po dito, kahit nga ako, hindi basta-basta nakakapasok kasi kailangan itatawag muna. strictly no walk-ins. Our guards here will not let you enter kung ikaw ay basta lang nag-walk-in dito. You must contact me at least 1 to 2 days before kung gusto mong magpa-schedule ng tripping, okay? Don't waste your time, money, and effort and your fuel driving and then wala ka namang aabutan. So, kailangan nyo guys, kontakin ako at least 1 to 2 days before. Lagi sa aking Viber WhatsApp number. Just mention Plaridel Heights Subdivision. Alam ko na yan. And kung kailan ka available, we can schedule that tripping for you guys. Okay? So, kontakin nyo lang ako if you have any other questions. Pero kung ang gamit mo ay Messenger, ayan siya guys, yung aking Messenger. Naka-follow yung Facebook ko ay verified yan. Pwede nyo akong i-follow. May blue check po yan. Okay? Ako yan. Wala nang iba. Okay guys? So, just contact me and mention Plaridel Heights Subdivision para ma-avail mo yung ating January big discount, New Year discount, at para makapag-schedule ka ng tripping. Pero kung gusto mo naman virtual tripping lang, okay lang din, walang problema. We can send you the map kung virtual tripping lang yung gagawin mo. Pero kung actual tripping, syempre, nandito ka na, papakita natin yung actual slot or pwesto na open sa ating map, okay? So, kung gusto mong makahabol sa ating promo, don't forget to contact me right now. Again, my name is Nicole, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.